How to fix Discord login screen stuck. If you're stuck on the Discord login screen, depending upon PC, Mac, Windows or mobile you're trying to log in from, the first thing to do is close the Discord app completely. If it is open in the background also, make sure to quit it completely and restart your device. Depending upon the device you're using, just try to restart your device and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. Once you've done that, before you do anything else, make sure to check your Wi-Fi and network settings and see if that helps you. If you're using a VPN, proxy or custom DNS settings, make sure to disable them. You also want to make sure to update your Discord app to the latest version, depending upon where you downloaded Discord from, whether from your app store or through the Discord website. You can make sure to update it to the latest version on mobile. Then after you've done all that, relaunch the Discord app and you can re-log into your account and see if that helps you solve the problem. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.